It's Bakari here, Bakari Collins. Welcome back to my YouTube. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate any support I get on here. And I really, any engagement, comments, likes, I really appreciate it. So yeah, I just wanted to come do a video today for you guys, get some stuff off my mind. Not really off my mind. I just kind of want to educate some people or give people my take on a couple of things. As you can see, I'm coming live from the balcony tonight, trying to change up the vibe a little bit. So yeah, hopefully you won't get no screaming motorcycles or nothing like that. It seems okay, but every once in a while I look out, there'll be like a motorbike, like a Ducati or something, just screaming. So let's get right into it, today's video. So today I wanted to talk about kind of my checklist when I approach women or when I'm evaluating a woman I might want to talk to. Okay? This is a interesting topic, I think. Like everybody looks for something else, but like I kind of have a checklist I go through when it comes to females. If I'm gonna approach, right? Like otherwise, I don't judge. Like if a girl that doesn't meet the checklist, we bump into each other and start talking, then that's one thing. Like I'm not gonna be like, well, you don't meet my checklist. Get the F out of here. But yeah, so there's 5 things on the checklist, 5, that are most important to me when I'm just evaluating a girl for the first time. I see her, I'm like, maybe the body catches my eye, and then I gotta look at things. And because the body is not part of the checklist. The body is the body, and I feel like girls. First of all, let me say this: I don't think there's like a type of girl, like a look. I don't believe in that. Like, to me, I just feel like people have their moments. Like there's some, to me, there's some called cute moments. Like cute moments. Like there might be a girl you think is ugly, bro. Like you might think she's ugly all the time, and all of it, or regular, maybe not ugly, but you might think she's just basic, whatever. And then it's just one day, I remember this like in high school, like some girls I didn't really, I overlooked them. I might glance over one day while she's taking her test, she raised her eyebrow up, you know what I mean? Flip her hair, and all of a sudden like, dang, I ain't really noticed you, I ain't see you like that. And I call that like cute moments. So I believe that like, even the girl that you don't think is attractive might be able to just have a cute moment where you're just like, you know what I'm saying? So let me know if anyone else feels like that. That's something I don't think I really talk to a lot of people about that, so I don't know how people feel about that. I think it's interesting, but yeah, so cute moments, man. But anyway, the 5 things that I look for, that I evaluate, you don't have to score a 10 out of 10 on each of these, but just believe I'm looking at them. You know what I'm saying? Like, first off, teeth, right? Like, you don't have to have a perfect smile, but if it's more like if it's bad, then it's gonna really be like if I see like plaque in your teeth or I see brown in between your teeth, like completely miss me, dog. Like miss me. Yeah, that's just hygiene. Like that's nasty. You feel me? Like how you expect a girl that don't clean her teeth or brush her teeth to be a good mom? That sounds crazier to be like to keep your place clean with your assistance. Of course, I'm not saying she gonna be the maid, but like it's just one of the things. Like you just, unless you know a little bit about the person, and you want to pay attention to those things, because girls, guys, everybody, they do a lot of talking, but you gotta pay attention to what's happening, what's going on, what you see. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so second thing is hair, man, hair, bro. Like hair. I don't know what to say. Like is it right? You know what I'm saying? Like, and most girls, especially in Colombia, most girls got their hair right. That's not something that they necessarily play with around here. But yeah, like hair is important. Is it nice? I like longer hair, and I like short hair. I can't even say I like long hair. I like man that like that girl from like Shawty Swing My Way, sure look good to me. Now would you please swing? That girl, the white girl in that video, the short hair, bro, that shit turned me on like crazy, bro. I remember I was probably like 13, 14 hearing that for the first time. I was like, damn, she bad. I'm like white girls like that. And so yeah, hair, is it nice though? I like it. Is it attractive? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just something, I guess that one I don't really think about a lot, but it's just one of the things that it's just there, like in your peripheral, it's just there. You see it. It's just the hair can attract you. I don't think we notice it that much, but yeah, hair. Very important, very important. So yeah, from hair, the third thing I look at is your fashion. Your fashion, yeah, your fashion. I'm looking at your clothes. I'm looking at how you rocking it. All that. Like, I can't tell you how many girls that made me like look twice just because of their outfit. Because I like fashion, so if I see a girl like easy down with what I like I like camo pants is a turn off for me. What else? I like I like those like silk skirts. Oh man, that shit crazy. I like I like the tank top white tee with the bra straps where you can see the bra straps. That shit's sexy. And anything else, I like tomboy swag, like that's sexy, but I also like like pretty girls. So I like all of it. It's just about, is it coordinated, is it right, is it put together, does it match you know what I'm saying? So definitely fashion. Your girl's sense of fashion is very important. It ain't gotta be designer. I'm not looking for a Louis bag. I'm just looking for how you put it together, how you work it, your selection, your taste. You know what I mean? That's important to me. I like a lot of the baggy stuff too, like the girls that look like hipster kind of, but not too hipster. It's a very, I won't say it's a thin line. It's kind of a medium line, like hipster and too hipster. You know what I'm saying? So be careful with that. Like, your hair looks crazy, and you got the hipster jeans on, and I don't like that. But if you got the loose hipster kind of jeans on and pretty hair and all that, like, yeah, all that. With the jersey, oh man, crazy. And then, that's like at the mall or walking around here or there. Obviously, when you go out, girls are gonna dress real, like, club, like, you know what I'm saying? So that's different. So on to number 4. Number 4 is gonna be how you carry yourself. And that's probably the hardest one to explain because basically, like, it's just, I really can't explain it. Like, how you carry yourself, like, how's your walk, like, how are you, like, do you use your eyes, like, do you look around, like, what's your mannerism like, you know what I mean? How are you carrying your things? How are you, it's more about just movement. Like, some girls just move sexy, you feel me? They just do, like, it's hard to explain. They just move sexy. Yeah, so we got through 4. Now for 5, for 5, it's gonna be, for me, it's gonna be your smile. Now it's kind of like the teeth, but it's different. Like, the smile is something else. Like, I can't explain when a girl smiles the right way, and it's a smile that you just feel. You don't really have to. It's something that you just feel. Like, I don't know. I've had girls smile at me, and it just made me feel something inside. I'm like, oh, I just felt that. You know what I mean? And I love when that happens. usually those are the girls that, because I think how a girl smiles at you or how hard she smiles or whatever, they be knowing what they doing with the smile, but that can tell you how into you she is. I mean, she might be just being nice, but if a girl's really cheesing at you and, and working the eyebrow or whatever, like, smile can do a lot to let you know how she feeling. So I'm always looking for the smile. If we don't get a smile, I gotta make you laugh. I'm sorry, but I gotta make you laugh just to see the smile. You feel me? So those are my 5 things that I look for from an approach standpoint or like early stage standpoint. Don't mean that any girl is disqualified if any of that is not the par, I guess, but that's just what I'm looking for. And you see a lot of total packages out here where I'm at. So shout out to Medellin. Shout out to all the ladies across the world. I absolutely love y'all. My favorite person is a woman. My 2 favorite people are women, my sister and my mom. So I love women. That sounds crazy, but I really do, man. I respect and I want the best for y'all. I know, like being a girl must be hard, but a lot of girls are pros at it. I could never do it. Like, I don't know. Got a lot of respect for my women. Yeah, like that's all I wanted to talk about tonight. Is what I look for when I approach. I think it's important that every dude has a little checklist. Actually, you know what? I want to switch because I think the smile is cool, but I think that I can take that off the checklist, right? So I want to swap number 5 with something else, and I just it just popped in my head, and it makes sense. I want to take number 5 away and replace it with the new 5, which is your nails. That's right, ladies, your nails. That's right. The nails. Like that's a make or break. Like that's definitely like, man, if your nails are fucked up, like yeah, that could really break you right there. So yeah, nails, man, and feet. Both sets of nails, your feet and your hands, and that's an important one, man. So look out for the nails. Look out for the nails. What we got? We got your teeth. We got the hair. We got what was it? Teeth, hair. We got nails. We got your fashion, and we got how you carry yourself. Right? Okay. So use those 5 to evaluate, and I think you'll have a lot of success. You know what I mean? And I guess vice versa for girls. Like shit, put me to the test. I keep all that right. You know what I mean? You're not about to catch me out there looking crazy with 2-inch long nails. You feel me? My shit's cut. Keep it like that. You feel me? It's for you. You feel me? Ladies. And yeah, man. I don't even do it for ladies, yo. Scratch that. I really don't. Like, I do it for myself. I feel like really, if you're not doing that for yourself, like, how could you expect a girl to be all, cut for you? You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of dudes want to step out, not up to par, but expect the girl to be smashing. You feel me? Like, nah, we ain't doing that. Like, if I'm going out with you, I'm gonna make you look good, and you gonna make me look good. That's how we gonna do it. Like, you feel me? That's what I like. Yin and yang, it's gotta fit together just right. So, those are my tips. I'm gonna review one more time. We got the hair, we got the nails, we got the teeth, we got the dressing, and we got the way you carry yourself. Those are my 5 checkpoint, my 5-point inspection, if you will, when I'm trying to evaluate a girl. You feel me? So let me know what y'all think in the comments on that one. I know it's gonna be a crazy one. Ladies, please let me know what y'all think. I hope I hope I don't offend nobody, but it is what it is, but that's just how I feel. And like it or hate it, love it or hate it, you know, it is what it is. So, shout out to Colombia, this great state behind me. Shout out to the great people of Colombia, to some really good folks out here. And shout out to all the beautiful, strong-minded women around the world. You know what I mean? Some powerful women. Women are doing great things right now. They have been for long, since the start of time. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it's Bakari Collins. Let me know how y'all feeling. Give me a like, subscribe, comment. There's gonna be more content like this coming, so look out. Peace. I'm out.